In today's video, we're going to be showing you how to open a new chart tab, how to close a new chart tab, and how to switch and rearrange chart tabs as well. So let's say we've located the chart, so we're on the Euro USD, and we would like to add another chart. So what you would do is one of two options. Option A would be looking at the top of your screen towards this plus button here. Once you left click on this button, you are taken to this page. If you have a new layout, you could click on that. But let's say your account is brand new and you don't have anything set up yet. What you would have to do would be to scroll down towards the markets option. Then you would left click on that and you would be taken to this page here. Here you could pick on the FTSE, the Nike, the DAX, 140, and any other options. You could choose for stocks and you could filter what you're looking for using this area here. Let's say we've wanted to open the USD against the JPY. We would left click on the Forex option and we would be taken down below. You can see you have the Euro against the US dollar, which is our current chart that is open. But we wanted the Japanese yen to the US dollar. We would left click on this option here, but it hasn't opened the chart. You could either double left click or moving to the right hand side of your screens, you can see this option here, which is launch full chart view. Once you left click on this, the JPY against the US dollar should now be open. So this is the Japanese yen against the US dollar and not the dollar against the yen. That is actually a very crucial difference. But now you see we've opened three tabs and we want to get rid of one of them. All you need to do is look at the X button at the top of your screens, left clicking it, and then suddenly you're left with two tabs.